Welcome back to PFS Film, guys. You know it's a girl Kayla, other known as GPS. I just want to take the time out to thank Empress G for this shirt. Big up yourself, Empress G. And you see that movie, you see whatsoever you see me do, I just move it. But I peep me as a little bad person. Because I see someone in the comment section and somebody move with them. But kids, never yet make friend, family member, nobody at all. Force you to do what you want to do. Take on education, go to school. And parents, when you people come to and turn say such and such family member that treat them that way there, please to believe, because something don't know what I go on. I'm out. Bye-bye.
You know, the only one you want is this year. You never yet come here and say, boy, see your money and buy yourself a drink.
Alright, see your money and buy yourself a drink. You know, see my money.
I tell you, you see the money I have to go pay rent. But if you say if you can't come and me, I can lay down, I would have sacrificed the rent money. And
No. Me rather go my sister yet later. Go beg that money there. Then beg you.
so what wrong with it? I work here, I work for it.
Me not do the type of work there.
So you want? You want to walk around and beg people money and not do nothing for it?
Exactly.
Do you think say nothing come free? Eh?
Yeah.
Look how much people are working at Sunu over foreign. Send money, come here.
I don't care about them. Me not busy about that. Yeah, lock your ear and give me a money to rent money.
Go and go look right now, I'm searching.
Me don't want to work right now. If me didn't want to look at work, me don't want to work. Me just want to make some fast money, some quick cash. Quick like a lightning.
You see, one time you get quick cash, something behind it. You see, quick cash, what do you call it? Quick cash or cash?
Cash. No crash. We no crash off a bike or vehicle. Anything
Alright, quick cash.
Yes, money.
Money.
Mm-hmm.
I think money. You see, if you did the work, you don't have to walk and beg. Me I tell you the truth.
You know, say you not work and you have money. Every day, all you do is stomp right here, so. If you don't have your you thump up, that's all you done this, so you now work, that's all you do. So you thump, me also come and thump with your morning time. Because I think you beg, you beg.
So me turn up a man and tell you, me not work.
Yes. Every morning you stand up and not do nothing.
When they see me stand up out here so most of the morning, them, I cool out, then me go back and do what I do. I am working. Just like when my sister Portia used to say, she's working. Me, I work too.
The type of work what she do, you do.
She deal with parliament work, me I deal with my cash, me I try to make money. Me don't want to sit down and panka.
Me I feel say all I something, you know. I do things I don't know for doing in the family. Because what they are your cousins crash off a bike, you know.
Mama, me not scam. Me not scammer.
What you do then? The whole of the family do something bad. But wait till God ready for you. You say God strike you?
You feel tell me God already for?
How you ready for?
God are ready for you.
Me not do nothing.
Alright.
Me not do nothing.
You don't have to do nothing for God. Rad you, you know. When the heart dirty.
Me heart nothing make me heart clear and pure.
So me not give the money. You start find everything we say to me. Your heart dirty, man.
One person can you dirty dog shit man from morning. But lay down with. You out of it, I say everybody papa want to lay down with him. But lay down.
Don't get so better than this. So go on where you go.
Oh, tell her that. Ever been there before? You ever been there before? No.
Me not have been there before.
Me hear boy you look bad and I was dead and weak out.
Are you flying? Let me see you follow you at daytime.
No fly can't fly. When the fly follow me is a man. And when I want you follow me because you fly yourself.
Because they underpants in my house and I put on with 2 flashlights. Figure shine to see what kind of yaki this in the middle of it. One big old scent lick me before me even reach down the ground.
How much time it is if you tap cap if a business company road?
Huh?
How much time I tell you that? Eh? How much time it is if you left people business at your yard? Left your yard.
Until then clean up.
Eh? I want other one too. You know, say differently me, afraid you know.
Huh?
What do you you know? And me ever yard me want like a bang nice come. Mama come over and say, we can't take this no more, you know. Can't take this no more. Mama start garlic knife. Ready for beat one girl up the road, cause the girl beat him and the girl plan to beat him again.
Oh, what you tell me, sir?
Yes!
Pop story give me.
Yes!
But
Give me money.
You talk too much. Go on, you're coming down the money. Damn bright.
Cause,
Oh, where are you?
listen, man, just so that fast straight.
We deal with better. What going on there?
You look at me. Yeah, yes, I don't know. Like a dog. So what are you going to family? Yeah, so let me go beg you to start money later.
Go on at the moment.
Later, I'm going to police. Then I can't tell what's happening here. Who owns the man? So, but I'm going to work.
I mean, I beg. Hurry up, beg.
Are you me a beg? Yes, me a beg about it. If you can work,
What's
you
it mean,
can't
mate?
make your money and money, man.
Nothing not going right now. And I work here, but nothing not going right at the moment. Public money.
You come, madam. Start taking on it. Oh, yeah. I tell you that one little bad thing.
Look, man, I'm up to down underneath on belly. You must have to look on you. On a large one then.
Are you seeing on the money?
You don't me tell us me just spin it off.
Oh, go on.
I want no babes.
What?
But there, my cousin come beg me a money about.
Right now, some fast money me you want to make. Quick.
Fast money?
No. Yes. Fast money.
You go look a white man money make a fast money.
Come and talk to you
Hmm?
one side.
So talk to you
Yeah,
get
come
all the
here,
money.
babe.
You look like a dog. No, you're fast. Personal.
As I can see, you realize your cousin have no money.
You never have money. You never
And
have
me not have no money neither.
money.
But me have one link overseas with some man a come down.
Yeah.
Yeah, some money man. Me I tell us that the man they have money, you know. Nah, ask Christ. So you know no nice young girl when me coulda get to him man them when they come down so me can collect a piece of food.
See me?
No man. You're too black. Your nose big.
Who you call back? Oh, yeah, they call black.
No, you're brown.
That doesn't have the highlighted.
You're not even a batty. So, man, they now go on to you too, maga.
Alright. Me think me know somebody. You say young feet or young girl.
Yes, we still go.
I want a young brown girl.
Yes, brown girl, they want.
Alright.
You know
She not too have the water, but she have a little bit round there.
Yeah.
But as me I say, me go link her. A quick
That's what I
money,
mean, a quick money that.
So when the people come, me say me know.
Um,
Who could I use her now?
next 2 weeks.
Alright. Who could I use now to that?
Make sure you find the person, you know.
So find first. Right now, me go see me to link my sister.
Make sure you send one picture with her, yeah.
Yeah, time I get picture with her. Me never know who more use. Just so me can find somebody bro.
Yeah, man, later.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, because me can see your stuff. If I go link my sister, you come in like
Probably go look at work and look at a white man or something. I help you out this trip.
Yeah, we are doing that, so.
What I meant on night cold breeze, I feel always cold.
Yeah, it's true.
Over here, hot and tired and bored. I can't wait over here now.
So you come out left me? What kind of style that?
You know, man, trying to house and easy.
Oh, so it was hot for you, so it was good for me.
You know, I see a little bit like you want to sleep, so I don't want to disturb you. So what?
No, you got you make one look for. Come and see you come out and was saying that TV say nothing to me.
No want to disturb you more.
Anything else say?
You know, cook.
No, I'm not cooking. You go buy something for cook? Nothing, I'm not cooking.
You know, I don't know that now, you know. I can't go down there.
You need money.
Come over here tonight, dog. You know where it is.
I come here go over there please. And then I can come back and take on talent.
Come.
Sister! Good evening.
Even
Mm-hmm.
auntie.
Yes. Not who use already. Sister girl, wake up, my man. Sorry.
Oh, go on, me tell you this.
Come believe it talk to you about something.
Phone game, me did a play for my phone and me not even know me drop asleep. Me just drop asleep.
Oh.
What go on?
So you could cover your up or lock the door, she make the open up fire. So how can I finish you?
What you say now? You alright?
No, I'm not too alright.
Go sit down here, son. You can't sit down here now.
So go over there now.
Come, go more, make your auntie
Go
sit down.
more. Must have my body big and broad.
Alright, sit down.
Yeah, you just not see. Go more, man.
Look for the big face.
Have man see your auntie little girl.
That's alright. As me I say now, you know, say me broke and me not really have no money, so if you can help me, I want to deal with something. Right now, me hungry, I need to deal with some business.
You know, eat from morning.
Cause man, me not eat for man, me try hustle and money, but nothing not come true. So me say me I come ask you.
You know, say you not work, so.
Yeah.
You understand? Anyway, you have no money, you know, me not tell you no lie. When I say me not have no money, I mean me not have no money, I just one dead last $100 me have.
Oh.
And I lend you it, me go give you it.
So me feel love you, you know? So me feel love you. Me and you.
You know, say I'm my sister, anything you want, I'll give it to you. I don't have 1 red cent more, but you can have that.
Alright, thanks. That's what me should come for. So everything go differently. So I know you know hear from him father, you know, find up him father run down left him.
Him father thief.
Yeah, basically the man rob you and make you lose your job and gone with everything. And left the picking.
I go look for a different job though, man. You know, say me not like sit down, me ever look work, me ever get work. Work, me say.
Hey, you strong enough. All them a sit there, me couldn't feel see. Man, pack up run off with me money and left picking for me.
Me never know say I saw thief.
Hey! Say alright,
All mean thief from you know, you know too. And the place where he did a work up the beach, the man thief right now when me walk on road. Me have to turn my head so car. Afraid people point me out and say, I'm baby mother.
Yeah, walk on a hold on your
So me turn my head when me see them, cause me know say,
and that they shame them.
He used to show me couple of in co-worker them and go to telephone show them me when me not look so.
But that's true.
Me no
so everything alright, you go to school you learn.
Yes, auntie.
So why you is born so quick?
Yes. Go on around the kitchen, go get 1 cup of water for me. And care come. Jesus Christ, my sister. Him bad thief, he father thief, that one target toward next year. You don't know, say him body a jail. A trick me a trick her.
Me know
and
me ask about
our father gone hide somewhere town.
You know say father gone no
a jail in there into thief, a finger cement. Me no want no more thief in man in my life.
Who to tell say she no thief? Who to tell say she no thief?
The blood of Jesus, me no want she on thief. That's why I made a try for no, but she never take nothing for me, honestly.
That's true.
She never take nothing. I try my best to work and give her every little thing, but me no know if she me no know if she have a thief. I'm go hopefully in the name of Jesus. But guess what? If she thief, how would I pub side didn't get it from? But me no want me no want.
Body pile, body no, no, you're not, you're long stop it, me gonna say water, what is?
Not true because me make love blind me, cause me a idiot about me love.
No, for you're younger, if you're younger, you're fool, and you're bigger, when you're just fool.
Long time me fool, but me go try see if me can get some sense.
Tell her that, man, she'll take too long with the water.
Jesus, carry the water, come. Alexia! Water gone?
Yes, ma'am.
Why
you mean by water gone?
Yes, we true, cause guess what? Girl, you see 1 piece of money when me just give you? Me they plan to pay me water rate.
No worry, God will bless you.
Water commission now go make it gone for long. Me go get 1 little money, me hustle up 1 little work and sit until me get 1 good work and you know me ever they look work. God will provide. God will provide, man.
Yeah.
I hope you buy something nice to eat.
Me buy something nice to eat.
Yes.
Bye, auntie.
Kayla, me name, man.
Kayla. Auntie.
No, my teacher fear of man and stuff bigger than her.
Oh, she never left.
So she can't say Auntie Kayla or Auntie. You don't call her no Kayla, my sister, no do that.
Yeah.
Look how more you go face with her and think you're her size. Auntie Kayla or Auntie.
Kayla, man, Kayla good.
Alright. Are your auntie if you have man and store, no follow her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway. But see if you find something in the kitchen to eat. Yes. I go try get back little sleep. You know, yeah, man. Me no like when my sister come down here and say she hungry, you know.
Girl. Why you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yo, what going for girl? What going for girl? Let me talk to you, bro.
Boy, you know, so the girl me have in mind. She move, but she not there.
What she move for? Who tell her to move?
I mean, none of my business that she just move, fuck up her things, and man, go and move out of the place. Must say, I know everybody want to night get up forever, you know.
You don't know no other girl?
Me no know, but we'll keep on look still. So must continue look.
Any age girl we want right now. We just want...
Age no matter.
No age no matter. We just want chop her food and move her. You understand?
Aye, me I looking through you. Me have to find somebody. What you good said there?
Yeah, man, me good.
Me dirty foot cousin there.
Boy, me don't know when God, you know.
Oh.
You know say him love the road.
And him me dey walk, I look for.
I look for?
No, me not look for him. Me know say him you dey look for.
I look for you.
Cause every time he left in the yard, he come out here, they come look for him. So see my gear on that road, they come book up on, if you book up on. When he left in the yard, time in the yard.
Woman, you will hear about you going ready in a newspaper tomorrow.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, for the avalanche. Where's it? Oh, what time is it? 4:40. But when you're alone, I do tell you what. No, listen. Whether you have about your business or not, you must always have somebody. You know, you can't do something like that. You are working more than the body. You have to talk with somebody. And it works like a fire furnace. This one, the money. I shop you go. Where money? Show me money. Show me the money. Show me the money. Call us from that service. You feel like say you can.
Look girl. I'm man, they say, I don't money, they say, look.
You see me, I look no man.
I'm man, you read, they say, look.
You see nobody, I look nobody.
Everybody see the big man.
Look here.
Stop with it.
Look here. You see nobody, I look nobody.
Me, I say.
Yeah, look me this.
When I look no man, girl.
What me just say to you a while ago, say?
He might encourage me, so I'm not for the on the road by myself.
Okay.
Your mother gonna know about it tonight.
Go on your yard. Go on your yard.
Your mother got...
You see, sit down there. Sit down there. Yeah, man. Wipe your body, funny man. Sit down there alone and shit, the bright. You see you? You see
I want to smell some.
shit. Shit, that's it. The bright. The fierce. You come back on top, you see man, I look now, look up here. You're fierce.
I get me, I can't go and go chill for me go over my sister. Because I am back. I never ever that chat pan her.
You see you? You want a man.
You stop and you say, look young 15-year-old.
Look for me good. What me look like to you?
Donkey.
Yeah, you
You
jog
want
on
two
road.
lyrics in that?
Eh?
Me eye. You want two
How
lyrics?
you- that's
Simba.
America.
Oh, you gone.
From America. What on?
There.
Yo, me need you to put a warning to your cousin-in-law, yeah?
I what she do now?
I want you warn her. Me say, one little girl that come from, me don't know where I go. But him ask me time. But you see when pick me I go up on road, them time I was here. A man, them a look. In the coming at 6, about 6:30 something or 6:40 something. No, what? 6:00. Oh, yeah. What's that, 7 something? Hey, girl, now. Come, yes, sir. I'm top of me, I look little girl. You don't sense me not run them joke.
But I don't know if you are that type of person.
Yo,
So she just come and say that she say never did I touch a little girl or nothing.
wait just a while ago.
No, me
You're one of them too.
No, me ask her a question.
You're one of them.
No question I made. I trace her want trace me?
Listen me.
No, I trace her want trace me?
Me no have Android, so me can't trace you.
Me
If
ask her
have
one
Android,
question, you sound
no,
guilty.
I'm sound guilty.
Because me ask her a question and you go like you want real up.
If you go in yard because he ain't have no money, where I go and shop and he ain't have no money. So me know say he ain't have no money. You see, uno woman, uno, gotta watch you know.
Gotta watch
Gotta watch
you
you
too.
know, 'cause
Gotta
I'm
watch
wicked.
you too. And you are
I only
wicked.
hope you don't get no girl picking in.
Why me why?
You know
Why?
get no girl picking in.
Why me not forget?
If me sure say me ain't no little girl.
That I truth.
You know believe in me, not trust in me.
No, me never. Me say, you notice what me say, me no know you as that type of person.
Yeah.
But me I say, why should I come in and say, Yeah, look girl, me access. Suppose you look a girl did there, so yeah, so look a girl go on home and you hold on pan her and
No.
her hold on pan
That's
her
a
or
one
something.
thing we learn.
That's why me access
Not
if
to
you did hold on pan her, make she come in and say that.
never
It
hold on for
must be a reason why she come here and say that, you
You
know.
know what? I feel like you pick up here. Go on.
When I pick up fear,
Take your time, go on.
I'm a family, you know.
Go on. I don't business. Whether cousin-in-law, brother-in-law,
Let me tell her
in-law.
something. Let me tell her something. You see, next time you tell me, you tap me on road and I tell me something, I will send up your, hey, I will
Send you up
send
where?
you up, you know.
Up under you.
Don't tap me on the road again. Don't
Eh?
tap me on the road again. Alright. Out another. Bright
I
and
was a fool.
feisty.
Go on. Go on. Go on, see you here. Go on.
Alexa,
Yes, mommy?
I want to talk to you, promise.
Sure.
You know, say, nothing and go on from the other day.
Yes, mom.
You begin to understand when something going on. You know, when I have money, me give you a little pocket money, me buy a little grocery food in my house. You know, me have my sister. No one again, she will come and ask me something. I have to give her. I'm rather give her, more she go make man use her.
Yes,
And she knows that me give her. You notice? My sister always come down here.
Yes, mom.
More you have respect for her.
Yes, mom.
Please me the beg you, if you have manners to her.
Yes,
Do not disrespect your auntie. You understand?
Yes, mom.
Okay. And me know say she love you. She will take care of you. And have to go look at her.
Alright.
As a little bit of grocery left in her house. Little flour, little baked bean, and tin mackerel and some sardine and some little something left. Thank God we still have that can go and munch pan.
Okay.
But, you see me? Your mother here, we sit down right us up on the bed and talk to you, you know me, and God bless me. Me know, me feel it from last night in my sleep. Say, anytime me left out here today, I'm going to look at job, me I go get you. Let me tell you something, my baby. You have to have faith, you have to believe and trust God and know, say, anything you ask God for, I'm going to give you it. Me know, say, me I go get a work. And God not going to make me suffer. Me is a trying, working woman. I'm a hard working woman. Me always a try. So you see, like when you see me not easily give up, as someone you know give up in a real life.
Yes,
You
mom.
understand? Don't give up.
Yes, mommy.
But make sure say every night when you go to your bed, you pray. And every morning when you wake up, thank God.
Sister, yeah, go on.
Here?
Hello, Minister, good?
No.
Alright,
Yes,
so.
the food good.
Oh, you want to sit down? Anyway,
How go on, sir?
by that time, we finish talk to you, here?
Alright, mom.
Another time. No worries, but you see what me just say to you?
Yes, mommy.
Just keep it in mind and do what me say. You understand?
Alright.
I want to
Yeah.
buy Apple iPad.
You know, say enough for me.
What for me?
Enough for me, you know?
Who?
You have to say fair, but I'm not really fair. When our friend come over here and live over here, so me just have make
Oh,
she go
come
on.
here, say, when you get so rich.
No. Our friend then go to same school and she leave it over here, so me just make she have. Go and play with it. Like a fair coming, so nosy Parker.
You understand. Catch it
So
good,
nosy Parker, they over there, so me neighbor them no want she go out the door with her and then stare and say, yes, her mother buy hype tablet or, you know? It's too
Yes.
fast.
You know what? I know, say, me, I ask if you have no money, can let me come then I want sticky situation.
Okay,
I want something to eat.
you're hungry again, not you? Oh God.
So, me really need to get over it. Me can't wait till
But
that
me not
bless
tell
me.
you, you know. Me not have not even one red cent in my pocket. My pocket,
Yeah.
all my pocket have all.
Life's
Anything we're going
really
there right now,
hard.
we drop out. But guess what? The Lord always provide. Don't worry yourself.
Gotta
I have
provide.
little tin things. You know what me call tin
Yeah.
things like baked bean,
Mackerel and
mackerel and sardine and so. So, Alexia,
Yes, mommy.
we're around at the kitchen and take out, look how much baked bean and sardine and something around there and just take out some and carry on give your auntie. Cause from we have
Right.
something to eat, you have to have something to eat,
Yeah,
you know.
when I some rice up I had too.
Alright, so go get something for your auntie. Carry them come and me see them. Hurry up, go on and come back. Nobody stay too long, we wait for you.
Really, that me come and see boss what something is. When I want to get on a phone call. Down there, you know me talk about when
Say what, you buy a lot when you win? How what?
we talk about jailhouse.
Oh.
We talk about that too.
God, no, me.
The man I say if not making that I can't see him.
I sell. She not go down there. Me no want no cell curse come call me pitney. I know me nor me pitney. No. I know me nor me pitney put him in a cell and finger them.
No, I didn't my father.
Look here. Him already know him daughter. And the daughter know the father. So him have it in a thick brain say. Him put himself in a jail. And him now go see her until him doing time and come out. Me now come pitney go down and no cell.
She believe in her fear herself, Say. She believe in her fear.
There,
Let me see where you oh, me have a couple of them here. So we just me think you'd have put them in a one bag.
I said, Mama,
I don't know for the bag them there.
No, look somewhere there, so look right there, so you can't do that. Everybody go see when me give her. Lord have mercy. Look, you see them here, my sister? At least you say have rice up in your yard, so.
Now you can look for them.
Take them here. Here one bag come. Come here. Look at the corner right there, so you can't lend her your knapsack, cause me did get one next one from one of my friends for you. You tired for wear this gas school, and nothing she carry up.
I didn't have big ugly bag to give the cigar school with no sir.
Then strong and still leather.
Not even my mother couldn't give me this cigar school, you know that already.
Master, we have to
we have one
use
for
what we
pride.
can afford, yes. Buy what we can afford, use what we can afford, yes.
Alright.
And that the bag them for that bag.
Yeah. Give me
but she have another bag. Alright, Alexia, just excuse me a little bit, let me talk to your auntie here.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, cool.
Bye, auntie.
Yeah, bye-bye. As me I say no, you have the pitney belief say in father scratch and die. And you know say pitney father alive. Why you so wicked?
I never tell her so.
What you tell her say?
Me not tell as she tell her, so me say her father's crash and dead.
Me hear Pandora, she tell me. Me hear Pandora say that they flop the pitney head with.
Me tell her one life it true, but I not that me
How
did
the
say.
lie go? How the lie go?
The lie
Cause you're the power road and a tell lie, eh? Or rather than
you see them the dirty drunk the way out the road, that's why me tell them anything. Then too damn blasted fast. Me tell them say her father dead. But me not tell she, so cause her father not dead, her father they are prison.
What you tell her say?
Me tell her say her father gone a one next parish gone stay for a while. In the work up there.
My
now
work.
come back for now.
You know if nothing happened to your father in the jailhouse. You know if nothing go wrong down there.
I know me put him in there.
You put him in there.
Just thank God for you too, my friend. You afraid about her.
Me afraid about what she a go do when she find out. You know, some pitney time. You say some parents like to pitney react a different way.
No, but at least me not tell her say her father dead. Me saying they want next parish.
Me
at least when time, although she big, when she get old and she understand her, even know if somebody even tell her. Me no care. Me can't explain and tell her say true. Me never want she stress out and ball and go.
Alright.
I mean, no want she go.
You know, say, you know, she want iPad expensive, you know.
But she not doing none of her friend leave it over here. Me just make she.
No, me apply for collect make me go sell it. Money for me, put money for me and you. We are so far money that you know.
Me fi thief people things and give you fi go sell it.
Sure, you're not that busy,
Me not suffer, cause if me not suffer, me couldn't give you that. Go on.
Alright, and me a suffer then.
Come like you have thieving spirit in you to just like our papa. Where you tell me fi thief people them me say the woman fit me come left you over here. She and the little girl a friend. Why
and a thieving spirit me have is a thief in mine. Bye-bye, later.
You tell me to take people.
Me love you too, bye-bye, later, love you.
When me thief this gun, when me give me help you thief it too, you know. Me help thief it when me give you fi go sell people things. You can't do that. Satisfied with when me give you money, you say I have rice, go near me little tin mackerel and leave people things alone. If me give you, remember say mother know say, over here she left you know with my daughter, you know. And then when me go take it, give you, know, I'm me responsible for it, you know, me can't have a big problem with for this, you know. Alright, later.
Yeah, okay, there's a chat, so it's a chat.
Later,
chat.
man, you agree.
Sir.
People things give you, Lord God. You know, so me get a job. Yes.
What kind of job?
Me not really want to talk about it right now until me sure. Me not really know if me get it, but to me get it.
Alright.
You understand? Cause what the person tell me say, me feel say me get it. And it say me fi come back. So you say, no, me gone now. And your auntie come. Just tell her say, it's a work me gonna check out about. And you go and go stay with her up there until me come.
Yes, mom.
You understand?
Yes, mom.
Watch her. She share from you. Oh, my sister.
Hi, sister girl.
Hi, auntie.
Hi.
Come on, come. Pull on the sheet on the bed for me, please, up there, so. Good. Sit down.
I wanna know.
Me there. You know, I said me just a talk about you.
Eh?
Yes.
You know what me say? Me I beg get much?
Me get a job. Me kind of sure say me get it. So me I
Get
say
a
me
job.
get it.
Cause
So,
your father gonna answer my prayers. Amen.
if I nothing, tomorrow, we confirm with you, make you know, say me definitely get it.
Yeah, I'm come down here, you come up a yard.
And me go want she fi stay with you. So when me I come up a yard tomorrow, me go carry her with me.
Alright, no problem. So everything good otherwise?
Hey, talk to my girl them already and something?
No, sir, me good. I'll come up this time, I don't come beg nothing.
Okay.
I come check pounds if you know. Alright.
Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
So you're sure say it up. So what I get? What I
I
get
just
the job?
feel say me get it, man. Me feel say me get it.
So what I get the job?
Run a West End.
West End.
Yeah.
Should I West End? You want a Kingston?
West End and Negril. Me no know if no West End they are Kingston. Now one West End me know say they in a Jamaica and it's Negril.
Oh. Alright.
Me tell you me get it work little bit past Rick's Cafe. When you go round the corner, go round and then you catch a lighthouse this and go round.
Too much corner so me no remember that.
Yeah man, me know where me I go man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well alright then. Me come back and me at the cause of that song. You happy to.
Me I tell myself say me get it work.
Believe. Pray
Yes.
tonight, go on your knees and pray to Almighty
Me get
Father
it man.
God.
Me get it man, me get it.
Alright, later.
Yes, look more.
Bye, auntie. Bye.
Yeah, God, see your auntie they come here, girl. Me so glad me nobody walk go so far.
Well, go on, sister.
Me there,
Bye.
you know, say up here yard me they come.
I don't know yard me a coming up.
Here we are again. Me glad me see you, me
I'm
love.
glad me see you too. So I go on now.
Because that the distance we would have to come. Right now me all tired. Me get one little piece of roast. Yes.
Hello, you tell.
One nice work, girl. Nice piece of roast. Somebody get it for me. Me can't wait to go. So me have
so
nobody
excited.
to stay with your niece.
Oh, what I go on now?
Me want she to stay with you. You know you're my nice sister already.
If it's true.
So stay with her. Here?
We take care of
you
her.
stay with her here. And if you behave yourself, remember your auntie, you must always have
I'm my
manners.
niece, I'm a lover.
Listen, nobody think you stay with her for free. That now work again. For free now work again. That's out of style. This is 2025, my sister. Work with me.
Yes.
And me work with you.
So work and get the money so me can tell me that you know. If me must say me not work, you know.
No man, no worry about it. Me always do the for you. But not because me always do the for you. You see, the money when me I go get, me have to pay you out there.
So how long you tan?
And me I get tip to you know. Me no know much days or weeks or months they want me to work for, but all me know so me fi start.
Me excited for you. It's a big breakthrough. You do tap me and mackerel and rice every day now. And banana.
Right now me I go work, you know.
Right now?
Then why me I make sure stay with you? No more work me I go.
Alright then.
So, wanna take care of yourself. Now worry yourself about the mackerel and the rice and the this and the that. We have to start from scratch before we reach up there so.
Alright.
Look here, you see the people in them big nice house?
Yeah.
They mansion. Me and you don't know where them a come from. That's why me tell you no every time say no grudge nobody for nothing where they have. Because we don't know how far them a come from at all. Me know say you no grudge for. Yeah, I'm a good sister.
Come on, give me a hug and safe travels.
Yeah, I love you already.
I love it too. Safe travels.
Remember, if you no grudge nobody, for nothing where they have. You hear me, daughter?
Yes, mommy.
Do like your mother when you get big. Learn to work your honest bread. And help who you can help in a real life.
Yeah.
Don't mean to people.
Yes, mommy.
Have manners to elderly people, especially the old one them. Cause you see them the people that if you disrespect them, you know when them hold up their hand and ball together, you know.
A different
problem. So guess what? Stay with your auntie. May I go work? Any little thing you see up at your auntie yard, ask her for first. Do not take things that don't give to you.
Yes, mommy.
Ask for it. What me always tell you, say if you take things when nobody no give you that hour. Okay, so don't thief me love. And so me grow you and my sister and me don't grow so although we not no man up about it, we grow good with the woman we did grow the two of we. You hear what me say?
Yes.
Me our elder sister, me you know her a long time say your auntie, so big up on yourself later. Me a hurry, me no want later. And me first day this.
Van.
Yes, later, love you no.
What man? One man. So do it. The mother say anything I'm tell her for you, you're supposed to do it, not true? Yeah. So to me, see, we are go somewhere, go mash a crime, and we need money.
Alright.
You see me I say? So you must do what me tell you say to do. If me say jump, you just jump and ask me how high, just jump until me tell you to stop. Yeah? You want money?
Yes, auntie.
Don't let me down. So me have to love you, know. Just go up there and jiggle up. I go and job one.
How your care needs go?
No, me can't go for a little dinner date.
Dinner date. Dinner date that.
Remember saying mother gone, you know. So can I go feed her, give her food.
You have money now?
No, your mother said money for she, not for me, but for she. How?
Show some money I carry girl look.
If you carry my knees, go look, man. You mad? You cycle, you're sick in the head.
Anything for you, you know, Kayla. Never sell your niece, you know. I know you.
Before me sell my niece, me go sell you. While I left some old man here, look, I thought of all. I think me and the family. Yes, stop me, so. Yo, man, they round the corner.
You too, like, when the?
Round the corner.
When I do?
They come ask me say, when me I go with my niece, eh?
You tell him where you go?
Dinner date.
Which dinner date? Which dinner date? What kind of dinner date you tell me say you go find? I know with...
Hello, me no tell a little girl say me care I could give her to man. So me say dinner date, she thinks her food she a go get.
Oh, so you tell her anything we tell her to do, she do?
Yes.
Oh.
Dinner date, come. You know, see you're
Come, we
hungry.
go on dinner date.
How you do it, so? Well, I walk around the area, see if we can get some more work. If you done, you know? So, huh? No, I'm not really have no work, you know, but I try to get there, you know? So, what will you say to you, you know?
I don't know, you have to tell me where that was.
Yeah, you're a little bit. You move shaky, you know? Fear woman. Me not understand how she a move shaky, cause the day before me and him have an argument, then today me did see her down so on the phone. I say, yo,
What kind of argument, Daddy?
me have a young girl that come this evening. So me I wonder why that message they go out for. Why she up on the phone? I talk about a young girl. You have a young girl to come this evening. You have to think twice another day.
What kind of argument do you have?
Ah, Kayla niece. Come and go out. I don't know where she go. She said shop, but she not no money. So I tap her on a counselor and that tonight. But she fly down for me. Whoa, me I look a picnic. Then next thing, your woman come up and I talk about she may be right because maybe me hold on for her hand. You tell me now.
Why, Papi?
You need to talk to them and call me and tell her say, till them hear up on the phone. I talk about have a little girl that come in the evening come check.
And any popular words since evening, you know?
Oh,
The two of them, the cousin them. Kayla and his niece.
Kayla in is fast at this evening. I know she me talk though. And the wife.
Oh.
Yeah, woman me talk about me no business with Kayla and his. Kayla and his good.
So girl, like, oh, it's opposing me right now.
Hey, try to make sure you solve that puzzle there, because remember say me one, if you have hand in anything with your woman, love it alone. Because it not go pretty.
Only hand me go in my father, man, I will put the hand in that thing.
But make sure that the hand there.
That the hand there alone, me know about.
Anyway, we tell you something again. Your woman a give you bun. No, but I say me say.
What you say?
She a give you bun. But no say me say.
How you know that?
No ask me how me know neither.
No, you know, puppies, but I can't tell you anything. How you know that? Where you see me that man?
Alright, this one I have $5 check me back, then me tell you how you go. You see me? Just deal with that. But,
Yeah, Bridget. If you pay me, tell me what I go on, Daddy.
oh boy. Alright, that's not say me say. Do.
You first thing. You like the money.
How much money?
Eh?
How much
Yo,
money?
we later we tell about that. You worry about the money, just worry about what you do, just continue to do
Make
it.
sure
Good.
you say give
Some
man.
not forget
Shut
money.
up, man. Relax. Make sure you say give man for 10,000.
At 500, making sure she do too much money. Her mother don't send her money.
$500 and I meet you.
What's up? I want this, sir.
Huh?
My cousin.
I want cousin.
Me I tell us
Hi.
when I go
Yeah.
to school, when I go to school Monday, you feel, yeah.
Who want to deal with?
You feel got internet
Me bought me
cafe.
big toe.
Shot drop on your face.
Eh?
Hi.
No, hi. Me when I go on now. Me here
What
when
else?
I go on with.
How you going with?
I don't know. Didn't go for a while ago. You know.
How we go
Who
pan?
tell you that?
Kind of money not talk a while ago. When I go really go do a while ago.
Nah, money
Sell her
with.
for show.
No. Let me take
I
this
say let's sell her for show.
Listen.
We are
You not listen to
talking
me. Me I
No,
talk
you
to my
listen
cousin
to
now.
me.
Listen, me I talk to my family them now. You
Oh,
ain't
so I
a
want me
family
come
now.
on.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
What
stop.
you do?
Our mother send money and me go pick up your car and then take taxi. I didn't get to go pan.
Yeah, I didn't date we go pan.
That take long to confirm.
No, I didn't date
Daddy,
we
we
go
all the
pan for
food get to
two.
our head because never eat so much in
Your
our
belly
life.
full down? Yeah.
Buy one burger long left for you special. You want it?
Yeah.
I'm belly no full. I'm not.
Yo, no! You want burger? Yes. You want burger? Your belly down full? Yeah, but if somebody... What does it go turn up? Can you come like that, idiot?
Come here.
What you want, burger?
Don't be the people. Oh,
Chat say your name.
Yeah, me eat.
How that's all? Come over here, so me lick off your headpiece.
I never see a picnic food son in my life.
She never tell me.
Me not busy what you want, chat say. After me business, not your business. Control your man. Can I come talk about it, agree with them, but me that sell me niece. That me love me niece, but that sell me niece. Me not so wicked.
We can't go sell her?
You
No.
damn one.
Me, we do.
After you sell your family member them. And I say you
Yeah.
suffer.
Me and suffer.
You are suffer because you sell your
Yeah.
family member them.
If I come big again.
Me ever
Me a
come
pass
back
up every
yet?
day.
You're lucky to me
Every
I beg you.
day.
You ever give me that yet? No,
Yeah.
you don't have it. You go talk about
Two
something.
minutes
You're
have
free of the
it.
spirit, man. Yeah, next time. Go for kick off it off your body, girl. You what right now?
Later. Remember to go, boy. Remember to get...
Yes. Oh, girl. All right. I go fight. Heart it out. Forward, man. Forward. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Oh, I bet no money now run today. You come on empty-handed.
I feel good.
Everybody feel good. Drink some water. You should drink some water. Why maybe you don't feel good? But what video make you not feel good? You know they eat. Mackerel and sardine. You know they eat. That not full of belly. Who me a chat to?
I just don't feel good.
Me a talk about me money. Me want me money. How comes the money not run today? That me a talk about.
Because me don't feel good. I am selfish.
Who selfish?
You.
Me selfish?
Yes.
What is? Don't come in here and with me.
No residence.
Me a talk about me money.
Not.
Come in and understand how you go up there and get the money.
I'm not going nowhere. You feel
I chat.
feel good.
Me not busy, but you don't feel good part. Drink some water. But you don't feel good. Go drink water. You know say that if you do. Drink some. Oh, come in, girl. I'm gonna reach you quick and fast because I'm calling you come.
Boy. Girl. Where you call me for? Cause me have something to tell her, you know.
Me want to know where they go on. She come back and she not coming no money. I'm hungry, me and my bills have to pay.
Tell her say me not feel good. Me know say not feel.
Drink some sugar and water.
Wait. So what she mean by that?
No.
The man say, you don't want to see you back again.
What?
The man say you're pregnant.
Who pregnant?
I just say you're vomit up from morning. Hey! You the do what? Vomit from morning.
Who said you forgot get pregnant? Who tells you could ever get pregnant?
You tell the man to use condom.
You don't know for use protection. You don't know for use protection. Who said you go breed? Me will come out your tear your belly. Who said you go breed? Who tell you say you could have go breed?
Yes, I told
No chance to make your my ear.
I told no, and she go here.
Are you not listening?
Are you? And Jam, you. Are you say I want money, you know? Me tell us if you care one girl come and you carry these years and what is... You have to what this? I carry these, me tell us...
Come on, come here. Come on. Ready? Run with this. Run with this. Run with this. Run with this. I love you. Run. Oh, no. Come on, come here. Okay, where me machete there? Where me machete there? Hey. Hey. I told me can't find me machete. Let go, girl. Let go, girl. Come here, girl. Remember, girl, come in the house, come beat. See how the machete that
You get beat up too.
Eh?
You get beat up too. And you get mostly Cameroon left you.
Who tell you say you could have go breed?
To because I tell me if you go do it, remember.
Stop calling me
I go know about this a morning, early morning.
You know me punch you in your nose. You know me put tomorrow morning bright and early me go buy one Pepsi and get some rusting around the yard. Me must can't find some rusting and get for drink.
No.
You like that belly there?
No, that's not right.
No,
me I can't. No, that's not right.
You just even chop one good piece of food and find man. If make a man come in you can't have no sense.
Because I told you, send me for go do it, I'm responsible. Me go call mommy early morning.
Hey, girl, move right foot on me ass out, man. Lift up and grow, let's up. Move for a kick in your head. Oh, God. You know me tired. Little girl.
Yeah.
Come here. Come. The other slide. Come. Come. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Go buy one hot Pepsi and come back. And when me done, me go walk and look for the rusty nail. Go down the road and buy one hot Pepsi. But if I say cold Pepsi, you know, it seems to not no sense. Because me tell you no breed and you go breed. So make sure me tell you this time. Now go down the road, go buy no cold Pepsi. When you go buy Pepsi, walk up with it to not take too long. All this. Go on and come back, me a wait for you. Spot in the yard, nail could have there now.
Shop open.
I'm here to talk to?
Yeah. Are you alone there right
I
yourself?
could never me here to talk to. Where does talk now?
I ask if shop open.
That sound polite here.
We never say nothing bad.
You forgot something, you know?
I forgot.
You come here and say you say shop open. Right? Reverse this and come back and say what you just said a while ago. Let's go right this, so come back here, sir. So what you have to know?
Shop open.
So no morning. You know no morning?
Oh, sorry about that morning.
Morning.
So shop open.
Me don't know. I just saw me live, me don't go up the road. You want to shop open, you go and go check.
Sure.
Go on, because last time your auntie cost me, you know.
Alright, you know.
Right.
Can I ask you a question?
You don't come back here and say morning again.
Morning again.
You did already tell me morning, so you don't have to tell me again. We just have to test you. But anyway, what you say?
I can ask you a question.
Shoot a shot.
What people use hot Pepsi and rusty nail do?
Huh?
What people use hot Pepsi and rusty nail do?
Let me see that Pepsi. I will say you come around.
My auntie.
Answer, ask me back over again where you try to say no. Because I go hold on pan this thing. Because when you hear about hot Pepsi and rusty nail, who over the pregnant? Who over the pregnant? That more I know.
Nobody?
So why not use hot Pepsi and rusty nail?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? You don't know? So why you come here so a while ago, ask me now, what rusty nail and Pepsi good for? No, you are come say nobody.
Nobody, me don't know what send me out. What you mean, but me don't even know what them use that for do. Somebody send me for buy that.
So buy if you go boom out the picnic where you have in a belly, they never think that you. You have blame for auntie, but auntie say they come buy.
I'm auntie say me come buy it.
But you take time go where you go, yeah? Make the auntie
You want Pepsi?
listen me, make the auntie come here, come tell me. Say a she tell you come bite.
Alright.
You're damn bright.
She gonna come
Got
here
to
for
know
you.
how to dash on the life before time. Cool.
Alright.
Huh?
Auntie.
What Pepsi do?
The man take it from me outside. The man where they see the day, they see me I talk to him. He take it from me.
Oh, tell thinking that he not be. Papa said she ain't gonna take Pepsi for you. Oh, you think people take Pepsi for you?
He just see me I walk and he grab it out
So why
and
take
I'm going to drink nothing from morning.
Have you money? You know what yourself? Me they go for the Pepsi. Me we go for that. How where you go? Turn back. You blind idiot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mama Pepsi, my Pepsi there. Give me my Pepsi now.
So you dash your belly over there.
What dash your belly? Oh, I dash your belly. Oh,
And you dash your belly.
Oh, I dash your belly.
No must you.
Where? You see dash your belly, my baby, it look like me pregnant, me tummy flat.
You are saying the little picnic come back, hot Pepsi, and me the little picnic ask me say we hot Pepsi and nail good for.
Jesus
Rusty
Christ.
me, eh?
That little picnic there, no.
So-
That little picnic that's like she go breathe, you know. That little thinking mouth girl there, no.
Okay.
What?
So you have your people them oh, so what you do now? You tell our people girl picking it.
You see me say she a breed. Me not mean breed with baby. The breath of life.
Uh-huh.
She a breed the breath of life. Me want the Pepsi come have a piece of running belly.
We can't
Want
believe
it
what
with,
you
want the
do.
Pepsi
We
with
can't believe what you do.
salt.
What
You
you
can't
do
teeth
now?
me Pepsi.
What
Eh?
you do? Because
What you want do?
you see what you do is not right. That's why all the while, missing you and your friend, your cousin, woman, I go up the road with the little girl.
What wrong with you?
Like, sell out the little girl to the man up so.
You see, from the other day, me I said that, who I sell out who?
You,
You see nobody, I sell out nobody here, sir? You see sell out man, nowhere here, sir?
we are telling you now, you see.
Why would I do it to my own niece? I love my niece down to earth and down to earth. What
you
you
see,
talking about?
You see, if you don't stop it, you're going to go to prison.
Be just like me and my pyjama. Then wait for my Pepsi.
You have to tap
me
it.
get up and
Me drink that. Me drink it.
All I tell.
Me drink it.
Me want my Pepsi.
How you do? You wait. I must buck you, you know. I must buck you. You're bright. I must buck you.
Little girl.
Yeah.
Come here. Come out, son. Come out here, son. Come up, son. Come. We can say, why you say I'm about the Pepsi again?
He take it from out of my hand, but he not drink nothing from morning.
Guess what lie?
And I lie me I tell
Come back, son,
auntie.
man. Come back, son. Why you gonna rogue and take a bow?
Me never tell, I lie him I tell. Me never said that. Auntie, I lie him
Oh,
I
you
tell.
don't know say a lie. Oh, you don't know that. Oh, you don't know that you got rogue and
No,
take
no.
people. You idiot?
Can't see add Pepsi.
You what? People can't buy Pepsi for different reasons. You can't tell him, man. Your business.
Me never tell him.
How?
Me dey over me yard under the bamboo tree, so. And yeah, some dash your belly. I would dash your belly over this yard.
Jesus Christ. You see the disgrace you can't on the yard? You see the disgrace you can't on the yard? Nobody dash the belly over here, sir. Me say the girl go buy a Pepsi for come back because me a running belly, me a diarrhea.
You know,
She make man say everybody when I take a Pepsi.
From me wanna run out me woman. And make me and my woman left. I don't see back that girl.
You don't even speak woman over here. I beg you to come to me yard.
Me know she not over here.
I beg you to come to me yard because I know who bring you over here, so. Which
Me hear-
breeze, which every breeze blow you.
I talk about dash your belly out. We know now.
Nobody know
Are
that
you
she no
younger?
belly.
Yeah,
Nobody
what?
know that she no belly.
How this ya? Nobody nah dash your no belly. And you dash your mouth. Cause you chat too much. Everything you laba 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 laba. Yawa. News reporter.
Me.
You get paid? Eh? You working with the newspaper? What's wrong with you? Me you just say to rich people like out about dash your belly, dash your belly, dash your belly.
I could go buy some cream. You know I'm cream when it come.
Nobody know what a cream. Come on, blaming people here. You're next one to go in for me lick off your head. Go. Give me idiot.
As me I say no, tomorrow. Tomorrow more good on there. See this say good on there. Do better than when you do last time. I look money then I work. I need big money.
No. Sick and tired. No. Can't bother.
Hello. Yeah, do this to make your mother better. You do this to we. You mean more when sick and tired. You know what I'm saying? You should text me your mother say you must do it. Your mother say you can't do it. You must do it. You hear me, little girl? Hello. I don't tell me, I tell you. You to say I go do it. Me ask if you did me, I tell you say they go do it.
Tell us I'm not even sick and tired.
Me I tell you say you go do it.
So what
Me
you
say you go do it.
auntie?
You want me much about this in here again? You want me to lick off it? You want me to say? You want
But
it?
we don't want to.
God damn me, I tell you.
And that me mother send me down here for?
Not because they want me to do it and be in charge of this.
No. You sick and tired.
Me lick off the piece in the man. I'm tell you say.
Tired.
You don't do it. Tomorrow when me wake up, I don't come out. Tomorrow when me wake up, I don't come out of this. You say good. Where do me have my foot start? How you go?
Me no, I do not want to spit me and spit up the bed.
Go sit down over there, so. I need you for 5 bed. Go pull up bed. Go you now do nothing. You have to do it. Sister, when you come back? Sister, when you come back so quick, man? Well, all work. I think next week you come. So you come back so quick.
Tired?
You tired?
What? How on?
I think next week you come.
No.
She alright, man.
What happened to you? Why your breast looks so big? What happened to you? You alright?
No, mommy.
What happened?
I should be a feed her and make sure she get some fat.
Oh, she give you enough food to
It's
eat.
not that, mommy.
Oh.
Is that? Girl, stop
What
that,
she do?
man.
Take
Come
some
over
and
here,
lick
so
up on your
come here
breast?
to your auntie.
No,
Come here to your
I want
auntie.
to come here say it's not my auntie. Mommy, she a force me and to man and I send me to man.
Who tell you that? Who tell you could have chat that little girl? Shut her mouth.
They say she go on and say she deal with me and auntie.
Why?
She a tell her for me.
And I don't, and
Why?
I
She a tell her for me, man. Me not like them. You know France can be hate people tell lie for me. She a tell lie for me. I tell me treat the girl so good. Come over here, son, your auntie.
mommy, and I just don't know. I'm pregnant.
What?
I'm sorry, mommy.
Oi.
She said,
Stop prank your mother. Stop the prank.
you know, say it's true.
Me just say we can drink the Pepsi then with the meal. We can drink the Pepsi and the rusty meal. What do you?
Come here, Alexa.
You're not here now. You chat too much.
So my mother, I'm afraid to tell her anything.
Alright. No, I better go me yard. How about? What is the problem?
Wait, Alexa. Wait, you have to take time to say no. Alexa,
Yes, mommy.
why the place look like this? Why you just say?
She sell me to man.
She sell you out to man.
Yes. And now I'm pregnant.
And
Who
you're
said the man?
Hello. You know say your sister head no good for a long time.
You know that she a liar for a long time? She get it from her father.
Oh,
Your father thief and you're a liar.
hello. You see the father party, I go leave that the discrimination there to me. You now go talk to my daughter in a them the kind of manner there about her father, for she feels sad like she not no father. Because of your guiltiness we inside of you. You see this little girl here? When you say your niece, me we say you are my sister, Jesus Christ. I swear right now, this little girl never ever tell me no lie yet. My daughter this, me know her, my picnic.
I saw you to see the pan in the teeth and see the pan there jailhouse there.
No, that's the father. Me I tell you about she. She not tell me no
She's
lie.
a liar. Tell me what
Oi.
was she pregnant? It's a prank.
So, which
With the
prank?
camera there.
Mommy,
How you
can't
know
go
say you
take
get
me
pregnant?
out. You can't
So-
go take me out.
And she still a chat for me. You know, let me tell you the truth.
You're mad.
Let me tell you the truth.
Lick what?
Let me tell you what really
You're
happened.
crazy.
Let me tell you what really
What
happened.
happened?
You're gone, right? You send the money ain't enough. So one day we are walk company with me see this man for full of money, rich man in the lane. I look on her too hard and I say, alright, like he like your daughter. So me sell her out to the man. Simple as that. I get money.
You. Her
yes,
auntie.
me your auntie.
Come here. Come here. Me I talk to you now. Right here so your feet turn up. Right here so no move. Turn around. Look for me. My daughter. Looking at me eye them. Me know you'll never tell me no lie. I no disbelieve you. Me believe you. But me just want you to say it out of your mouth again and tell me in front of her. Say she do that to you.
Out of your mouth.
What she do? Don't afraid to talk. I am your mother. She's your auntie.
Right.
And my house this. And me run things in here so. Talk to me. What she do to you?
Mommy. You see when you gone, she been a treat me bad. And
How you
she
treat
said
man?
me, you treat me bad. And you
I
lick
saw
me.
mommy grow Eve, tough and rough. Pitabo.
Hoy, you think that you are my sister. And me a help you every time when you come down here.
Oh, you can't say to her.
Look here. You forgot my name? What my name?
Sexy chubby pet name.
Okay.
And mad girl can be.
Okay. Well, if your uncle thinks say my name mad girl, Candy, and sexy chubby, fi joke, I lie they tell. I know me can't believe say you are auntie. Move your hand, man. I may make you think them about your nose in my face. Do that to your niece. Why you so wicked?
Me a suffer.
Look, when me shut out the whole of the teeth them out your head, you idiot.
You really boss me.
You idiot, eh?
You really boss me.
Come here. You idiot.
Mommy, you kill her. You kill her, mommy. Mommy, you kill her. Auntie, mommy, you kill her.
There's a wicked girl. You are my sister. Me take out my last dime and give you. Me make sure say you're not hungry. Me give you everything and you turn on and do that to my daughter, your niece. There's a wicked girl. You know what? Come we left this. Take up your clothes then. We are left the house here right now. Take up your bag. We not Tanya so. Not all. I don't care. Well, little picnic tablet there. You give her back already?
Yes, mommy.
Yo. Anything we are left, take up. When I say you give back a picnic tablet, oh, you give him back and rate this, oh, you love company too much, where you do it so much sitting in here. Take up them, and come on, we not Tanya, so we gone. And do. Anyway, make you go, not tell nobody what happened. This girl, when me call my sister, we are feel auntie, she's a wicked girl. No, me have to go mind picnic, you a young girl, you breed before time. You mad man, I'm not dash no belly.
Oh, you reach the end. Here what me have to tell you now. Popeye is going to give away a prize, but he's not going to tell you what is the prize. But for you to be eligible to win one of the prizes, you got to share this movie to 10 people and send in the screenshot to the number on the screen so you can have a chance to win a prize. You understand? So share the movie to 10 people, screenshot it, and send it to the number on the screen. Good? Big up on yourself. One love. Remember, April is going on, April, so to do it fast and quick.